Pamangkin na Johnny Abariento.
So he probably wanted to remember after that if you remove out Korean league, so medyo discussion ng laro. I really, as far as offense, I really give it to him. Question the defense a little bit, although he's a guy that can really pressure you a lot. But I'm talking individual defenses come the PBA when you're